service manager at a school conducted a random survey of students to determine their preference for new lunch menu items. Select all the inferences that can be drawn from the manager's data. First, about twice as many students prefer pita sandwiches as those who prefer burritos. So, let's find out, looking at the data, this is the items, this is the pizza, the salad bar, the pita sandwiches, and the burritos. And these are the number of students that selected each. It says about twice as many students prefer the sandwiches, the pita sandwiches, as those who prefer burritos. Is it true that almost twice the number of people chose pita compared to burritos? Well, burritos, if you multiply it by 2, 13 multiplied by 2 is going to be 3 times 2 is going to be 6. 2 times 1 is going to be 2. So around 26 would be double. So yes, about twice as many students did prefer the pita sandwiches over the burritos. So that's going to be one of our answer choices. Burritos are the most preferred item. Is that true? Looking at the number of students that chose, burritos is 13. I see a 17 here for pizza, and I see a 25 for pizza. So the most preferred item is actually the pita sandwiches. So burritos are the most preferred item? Not true. Almost half of the students preferred pita sandwiches. So let's find out what exactly, if we add up all these numbers, what do we get? 17 plus 7 plus 25 plus 3 gives us 62. So yeah, almost half of the students, 25 of the students, 25 preferred the pita sandwiches out of 62. Half of 62 is going to be 31, half of that, and multiplying that by 2 gives me 50. So we can say that almost half of the students preferred the sandwiches, so almost half, that's true. About half as many students preferred the salad bar as those who prefer burritos. Half of the burritos would give you around what the salad bar is. Burritos, we have 13. So 13 for burritos, and the salad bar is 7. It says half of the students prefer the salad bar. Half of 13 is 6.5. So is that true? Yeah, it's pretty close. 6.5 is pretty close to 7. Or 7 times 2 is 14, which is pretty close to 13. So yeah, around half as many students prefer the salad bar as those who prefer burritos. That's a true answer as well. And finally, twice as many students prefer pizza as those who prefer the pita sandwiches. So twice as many students prefer pizza. Is it true that more students prefer, actually twice as many students prefer the pizza over the sandwiches? That's not true. 17 to 25. If you double 17, we're going to get 34, and that's not going to beat the sandwiches. Twice as many prefer the pizza. So that's completely not true. So that's not an answer choices. So these three are my answers.